Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the Master of the Day of Judgment, and a bundle of the Truth Islam and beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Dear students, O level mathematics 4024, question number 1 of paper 21 May June 21, and it is 17th question of MS book 2425. And the statement of the question is, in 2019, Nicole's annual income was $22,000. She spent $7,200 on accommodation in 2019. Calculate the percentage of her income she spent on accommodation. So students, for finding out the percentage, 7,200 will be divided by 22,000 and multiplied it with 100% to get the answer, that is 32.73%. So students, we have to write as numerator the expenditure on accommodation and divide it with total income and multiply it with 100%, and then you will use calculator. 7,200 multiplied by 100 divided by 22,000, and this will be the answer. B part of the same question is, her annual income of $22,000 increased by 4% in 2020. Calculate her annual income in 2020. Students, in 2019 her income is $22,000, and in 2020 the income is increased by 4%. So 4 will be added in 100%, and this amount will be multiplied with $22,000, and the answer will be $22,880, because 4% is increased, so 4% will be added in 100%. So 100% plus 4% mean 104%, and in percentage we will write 100, and it will be multiplied with the income of 2019, that is $22,000, and when we use calculator the answer will be $22,880. So the income in 2020 is $22,880. C part of the same question is, it is very interesting question. Nichols invests $2,000 in an account. The account pays compound interest at the rate of K% per year, and it is compound interest. At the end of first year, the money in the account is $2,036. We have to show that the value of K is 1.8. So students, the formula of compound interest is amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r to the power of t. P is principal, A is amount, R is rate, and T is time. So students, amount is given, that is 2036. Principal is 2000, 1 will remain as it is, plus K percent, K is in percent. So students, in percentage we will write 100, and T is 1 year. 2000 is multiplying on right side. When we transfer it to other side, it will divide, and when 2036 will be divided by 2000, we will have 1.018, and this one is plus on right side. When we transfer it to other side, it will become minus, and this 100 is dividing to K. When we transfer it to other side, it will multiply, and when we use the calculator, subtracting 1 from 1.018, multiply it with 100, the value of K is 1.8, and we have to show that the value of K is 1.8. Second part of C part is, find the number of complete years before Nicole has at least $2,150 in her account. Show your working. So students, at least amount is $2,150. Here should be the sign used, that is less than or equal to, because this amount should be at least. It may increase to this amount but not less than this amount. That's why we should use this sign, less than or equal to. And P is given principal 2000, 1 plus K is also find it out, that is 1.8%, and T we have to find. Same process will be used, that 2000 is multiplying on right side. When we transfer it to other side, it will divide, and the answer will be 1.07 is equal to 1 plus 1.8 over 100, and it will become 1.018 to the power of t. Now students, there are two methods to find the value of t in here. One is hit and trial method. We will take t as 1. When we take t as 1, it will be 1.018, that is not greater than 1.075. Then we will take 2 as power, then 3 as power, then 4 as power. But when we take 5 as power of this number, then this value will be more than this value. I will show you the method that we will write 1.018 to the power of 2, and the answer is 1.036, that is not greater than 1.075. So we will take 3 as power, 1.018 to the power of 3, and check either it is greater than. No, it is not greater than again. Now we will take 4 as power, 1.018 to the power of 4, and it is 1.74. It is again not greater than 1.075. So students, we will take 5 as power, 1.018 to the power of 5. Now this amount is greater than 1.075, and we will write the answer 5 here. The other method is we will take log on both sides of this inequality, on the left side as well as on the right side. And when we take log on both sides, t, the exponent, will be taken before the log, and then students, we will take log of 1.018 as well as log of 1.075, and this log will divide, and we will get t is greater than or equal to 4.0779, and we need t more than this amount as complete year, so the complete year will be 5. Students, I hope that you have understood this question, and if you feel any kind of difficulty, you can contact me through Instagram, as well as you can mention your problem in the comment box. I will try my level best to solve your problems as soon as possible. And at the end, I would like to say that may Allah Almighty bless you all the time, and have a good day.